What if your laptop could transform into a tablet, a book, and a full workstation all in one sleek device? That's exactly what Huawei is aiming for with the MateBook Fold, a bold step into the future of foldable computing. At first glance, the MateBook Fold looks premium and futuristic. When closed, it feels compact and elegant. Open it up, and you're greeted by a large, flexible foldable display that instantly changes how you think about laptops. The hinge feels solid, smooth, and surprisingly durable, something Huawei clearly focused on. The centerpiece here is the foldable OLED display. It's sharp, vibrant, and incredibly immersive, whether you're using it as a traditional laptop, a large tablet, or in split-screen productivity mode. Watching videos, editing documents, or multitasking feels natural, and the crease is far less distracting than you'd expect. Performance-wise, Huawei packs efficient processors optimized for every day. Multi-window support, drag-and-drop gestures, and stylus compatibility make it especially appealing for creators, students, and professionals on the go. Portability is another major win. Despite the large screen size, the MateBook Fold remains lightweight and easy to carry. Battery life is solid for a foldable device, comfortably lasting through a workday with mixed usage, and fast charging helps you get back up quickly. Of course, foldable tech still comes with compromises. The price will likely be high, and long-term durability is something only time can fully prove. But as a glimpse into the future of laptops, the MateBook Fold is undeniably exciting. So, is the Huawei MateBook Fold worth it? If you want cutting-edge design, flexible productivity, and a device that truly stands out, this could be one of the most innovative laptops available today. The Huawei MateBook Fold isn't just a laptop, it's a vision of where personal computing is headed. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Lens, and stay tuned for more smart tech simplified, where we explore the future before it becomes mainstream.